track. At the aid station, the door slides back. We pick up alligator, bear, cat, oh my, dog, elephant, climb aboard, don't be shy. Everyone's cheering as the whistle blows. The alphabet train is ready to go. Choo-choo, animal train rolling down the letter lane. Hop aboard, don't be slow. Everybody's going, let's go. Choo-choo, animals ride, learning letters side by side. We stop for fox, frog, and fuzzy goat. Giraffe with a neck too tall for the coach. Here comes hippo, horse, and iguana too. Jaguar leaps in wild and new. The engine's humming, what a sound. Off we go to the next train ground. Choo-choo, animal train rolling down the letter lane. Hop aboard, don't be slow. Everybody's going, let's go. Choo-choo, animals ride, learning letters side by side. Station KO calls big and small. Koala, lion, monkey climb the wall. Narwhal splashes, what a silly sight. Ostrich runs fast to catch the ride tonight. Everyone's laughing as the whistle blows. On we roll where the alphabet goes. Choo-choo, animal train rolling down the letter lane. Hop aboard, don't be slow. Everybody's going, let's go. Choo-choo, animals ride, learning letters side by side. Here come penguin, parrot, and quail so quick. Rabbit, seal, tiger doing tricks. Claws and feathers, fins and tails. All aboard, no time to fail. The train car rocks with animals galore, but we still have letters, there's room for more. Choo-choo, animal train rolling down the letter lane. Hop aboard, don't be slow. Everybody's going, let's go. Choo-choo, animals ride, learning letters side by side. Last stop coming, you see ahead. Unicorn pretending spreads. Vulture, walrus, x-ray fish zooms by. Yak, zebra, wave hello and goodbye. The alphabet's finished, what a ride. Animals cheering from side to side. Choo-choo, animal train rolling down the letter lane. Now we've sung from A to Z. Animals and letters in harmony. Choo-choo, one last cheer. Let's ride the alphabet every year.
Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more child-friendly content. Click on the bell for a notification when we release new songs. And please give us a thumb up.